Thank you, Raul. Hi, everyone. I'm Cathi Hayes, Vice President of the Go-to-Market team. And a big thank you for joining us today and taking time from your busy days. My team's been working hard to bring you the best from Bricsys during this digital summit. So I know you'll discover exciting and innovative tools to build better. When we say build better, what do we mean? Well, we think about build as to design, create, construct, establish, or assemble. For manufacturers, this means our solutions help turn product ideas into reality, simply, quickly, and automatically through prototypes and production. For the AEC industry, this means we help our customers to design and build the world's civil and buildings more intelligently and efficiently. Importantly, build better in AEC means flexible solutions for sustainable designs to support workflows for industrialized construction. So how does build better translate into our products? To guide us to build better for our Bricsys community of users, we focus on 4 principles. Challenge the status quo through CAD-based innovation, intuitive to use, learn, and adopt, harness new technology to supercharge productivity, and interoperable and open. So why challenge the status quo through CAD-based innovation? This directly addresses the notion that some parties in our industry are moving away from CAD-based design and collaboration. Well, at Bricsys, we fundamentally disagree with this proposition. On the contrary, our continuous innovations demonstrate that CAD is a powerful platform for design innovation. So for CAD and modeling, this means we bring our user community familiar tools paired with innovative tools like, say, Optimize and BIMify. For the Common Data Environment solution, Bricsys 24/7, this means we provide the ability to scale up your use from a basic cloud-based construction document management system to a construction information management platform with forms and workflows, to a full common data environment, providing our users with tools for viewing building information models and for meeting ISO standards. At Bricsys, our users' experience is central to how we design and develop tools for the sectors we serve. We prioritize your total experience as a user when buying, training, implementing, and upgrading. So Bricsys products are intuitive, simple, and easy to learn, so you and your projects perform better. But we haven't stopped there. For new users, Bricsys products are easy to adopt into your existing workflows. To supercharge productivity, we focus on harnessing innovations like AI and machine learning. We want Bricsys users to know our solutions always make their workflows efficient. And equally, we design solutions that frees your creativity. And finally, for our users to collaborate and coordinate seamlessly, the Bricsys family of products offers the best interoperability and openness for our user community to extend core capabilities with third-party development. And Bricsys users can enjoy better cloud-based connectivity, uniting multi-users and multiple professions by making project data available on any device at any time. So these 4 principles guide our product teams to develop great tools for every user in the Bricsys community. Jan will take up these in more detail later. And importantly, we've made licensing flexible for your user size and to perform for the whole business to give your workflows and projects the level of access that you need. Now, let's take a look at the challenges our solutions address in your sectors. The building and civil, or AEC sector, desperately needs to quickly harness the technology which is driving digital transformation. Did you know that 50% or more impact on productivity is due to issues in construction logistics, and that large projects typically take 20% longer to finish than scheduled, and around 80% over budget? 62% of contractors report difficulty in finding skilled workers, and a whopping 95% of all data captured in construction and engineering goes unused. And what's the impact of these? Risk, a risky business due to low margins. And at Bricsys, we're dedicated to offering tools for AEC companies to reduce these risks. How do Bricsys solutions do this? Simply stated, today Bricsys solutions help to lower risk by continually innovating for users to enjoy greater productivity and creativity. You'll explore how Bricsys offers this in the product sessions for BricsCAD V23 and Bricsys 24/7. For tomorrow, our roadmap's focus is on the A in CAD, computer-aided design. So Bricsys will keep automating many of the time-consuming, repetitive tasks so your users can spend more time on high-value tasks such as designing or managing projects. This frees up users' time and attention, reducing process errors. And in our AEC sector, we all know that errors can cause major risk and decrease profitability. For BricsCAD BIM, our development teams focus on making modeling, designing, and collaboration to become less laborious through repetition. And for 24/7, the focus is on building a powerful cloud platform so data is accessible to everyone across your project teams. Our product teams explore these later today. Now, let's take a look into the future. People working in silos sit behind the figure of 95% of data not being used. Imagine in your work how this would change with connected solutions to guarantee accessibility to everyone at every stage on a project. This is democratized solutions, easy to use, accessible, and cost-effective. So the next step for the next generation of talent and innovative products is the Metaverse. Imagine a future where humans of two different project disciplines, say an architect and a surveyor, can virtually enter into buildings or travel along a highway or cross a bridge together virtually. Imagine creating this very real experience in the way we engage during a project's life cycle to solve problems and reduce errors, to enhance the human experience of connecting with our partners and colleagues in a twin reality. This day is very close. And we need to be agile, and we need to be agile now. And we need talented people immediately to make this happen. The AEC industry is not alone with major challenges for growth. So did you know that 54% of U.S. manufacturers cannot attract the right skilled workers according to Industry Week? 21% of manufacturers experience business disruptions in their supply chains. And 48% of customers say they won't wait over 5 days for order delivery. And 36% of B2B transactions require personalized products or services. And as McKinsey & Company reports, timelines for construction projects accelerate between 20 to 50% when a portion of the project moves into factory production or industrialized construction. So how does manufacturing adapt and continue to compete with labor shortages, supply chain disruptions, and increased customer demands? Agility. Agility is the key to mastering the challenges and competing successfully. Greater agility provides manufacturers with the abilities needed to adapt rapidly and dynamically. And to achieve greater agility, new investment in technology and people is paramount to enhance their tools and processes. So, how does Bricsys support manufacturers to become more agile? In manufacturing, true agility is achieved through a combination of 3 characteristics: integration, automation, and usability. These are fundamental to digital transformation and in developing BricsCAD V23. Today, in V23, users can enjoy greater range of mechanical detailing symbols and annotations, compatibility with legacy mechanical CAD, and more productivity via our unique 2D and 3D tools. More about this from Cliff and Gavin later. For tomorrow, our roadmap for manufacturing focuses on automation tools to provide more productive workflows that provide process and team agility. Firstly, for 2D and 2D to 3D industrial machine manufacturers, and secondly, for industrialized construction workflows. This means standardized prefabrication and custom prefabrication of any building-related system, going from custom on-site construction to factory-made components simply assembled on site. For the future is to automate repetitive tasks for all manufacturers and to evolve our single platform to a complete industrialized construction solution to drive the transition within manufacturing and AEC industries to industrialized construction. And Bricsys is uniquely positioned to drive agility through integration, automation, and usability. But why? Well, Bricsys is the only vendor in the market with a single platform for CAD, BIM, and mechanical design. So let's quickly review the Bricsys family of products. We offer two categories of solutions: CAD-based solutions for design, construction, and manufacturing, and cloud collaboration solutions for the AEC industry. First, we offer a Lite version for 2D workflows for our customers requiring Lisp routines, but without the need for an API for add-on software. Then we have BricsCAD Pro at the core. This is our flagship CAD solution serving all industry sectors. At the core of Pro is a solid set of tools for 2D and 3D with a familiar interface, making it easy to adopt. In addition, users can expand the capabilities of BricsCAD with the robust APIs. Then we have a BIM solution for the buildings industry, and it's based on our .dwg CAD platform, so users can leverage 2D skills and get the maximum benefits from BIM. This means low risk, no loss of productivity, no retraining or reskilling needed. And crucially, unlike any other vendor, with Bricsys, the mechanical design tools are on the same platform. This offers workflows operating seamlessly for building products to be designed for manufacture with 100% fidelity. Together, this is BricsCAD Ultimate. For seamless cloud collaboration in AEC construction, you have Bricsys 24/7. Bricsys 24/7 is a simple yet powerful document management solution with CAD and model viewing, along with markup for project teams. 24/7 allows users to assign tasks or automate processes for construction management, workflows like RFIs, submittals, and daily reports. For users like construction managers, Bricsys 24/7 is a project management information system, or users can take their BIM projects to the next level by using 24/7 as a project's common data environment, or CDE. You can share models and all the project's associated documents. Bricsys 24/7 delivers better transparency and oversight of projects. This offers agility and decision-making and lowers the risk throughout the project lifecycle. Jens and I have many insights on this later.